I've been getting asked a lot of questions about how to kill grubs in your lawn. What are your best options that you're going to find on your big box store shelves? So I got a few of these items that I'm going to go over. Some are the best, some are the worst, but you're going to find them in any of your big box store shelves. And I got to keep it real. Some of y'all not going to like what I got to say and some of the products that I'm going to be, talking about. But we're going to go over all these products and I'm going to give you my opinion. So stay tuned and let's go over that right now. Okay, here we go. So this has been kind of a controversial topic. Everybody's been asking me about grub killer. What are the best grub killers? And I always tell you, go with BioAdvance or Scots Grubex. Those are my personal favorites when killing grubs. I'm going to explain to you why. So, I like Spectracide. I use all their products. I use the weed killer. I use this one. It comes in liquid form and this is the granular form. I use the Spectracide probably the most out of these three items on this table. But I'm going to explain to you why. I'm going to explain to you different applications. Because you can go in the store. You can buy $300-400 worth of products. You got to know the right application that you're trying to apply or what you're trying to do. Just because you're spending a lot of money doesn't mean you're going to get great results. Someone can spend half or a quarter of what you spent and getting phenomenal results. So me personally, doing research, when I go ahead and I'm trying to fight off grubs, Spectracide is last on my list. Now, when I use Spectracide, I know what I'm using it for. I'm using Spectracide for fleas and ticks. This is the only item on the table here that specifies that it's going to kill 100+ insects. This is actually an older bag, so I don't even know what the newer bags say. But as you can see, it kills 100+ insects. Now, on this bag, it shows grubs. And that could be misleading because I'm going to explain to you why it doesn't handle grubs how it should. Because it could possibly kill grubs, but not the way you're thinking. So a lot of this stuff says kills on contact. Most of them say kill on contact. For Spectracide, it's trying to kill a bunch of different insects. So that's what it specializes in. Spectracide is something if you got ants, fleas, ticks, mole crickets, sodworms, a bunch of different other insects in your lawn, you want to go ahead and just grab a bag of Spectracide and say, all right, I'm gonna put it down, water it in, I'm good to go. But when it comes to grubs normally hide underneath your soil, probably about 2 to 3 inches down most times. So now when using the Spectracide, the active ingredient inside Spectracide is gamma cyhalothrin. Hopefully I pronounced that right. But you see the percentage, 0.05%. So that is overall weak. It's not strong enough. So by the time when you put this down on your lawn and water it in, yes, it's gonna kill a lot of those other bugs and insects that it showed, because most times ants, fleas, ticks, they crawl on top of the soil. They're underneath your grass, like the roots, right by the roots of the grass before it goes into the soil, but they're crawling on top of the surface. Grubs normally, like I said, hang 2 or 3 inches down in your soil. So by the time this weak product gets watered down into the soil, it's not strong enough. It's probably already kind of tapering off and not killing the grubs. Now, some people might say, yeah, it does kill grubs. Yeah, on contact. So if I took a bunch of grubs and put them in a bowl and threw some of this on top, yes, you might get some action, some actual killing ability of killing the grubs on contact. But that's not how grubs operate. Grubs hang deep down in your soil. So by the time this product gets down in the soil, it's not going to work because this doesn't specialize in grub killing. That formula is not made for grub killing. So that's why I say when I did my research and I started looking, because when I first started doing my lawn here, I had grubs because the last people, they didn't really maintain the lawn. It was, I started from scratch. So you got grubs when if your grass is getting green, and then all of a sudden, like later in the summer, and you know you've been watering properly, you've been feeding it properly, you've been mowing properly, but somehow it starts to get brown, like it's going dormant, more than likely that's grubs eating on the roots, killing off that area of the lawn, because that's what grubs do. When they wake up and they hatch, normally around June, July, they start eating and feeding on the roots. And that's why you'll get dead spots in your lawn. So sometimes some of you guys will think, oh, I got a fungus, or I got, you know, heat stress or anything like that. I don't know what's going on. Most times you don't even know you have grubs and that they're eating on the roots, because you could say, hey, my grass was green all summer long, but now all of a sudden I've been doing everything properly and this part of my grass is dying off. Could be grubs, because they don't woke up around June, July and they started feeding on that grass roots. So if I got grubs, Spectracide is last on my list. That's for everything I explained. Now, when it comes to these two products here, these two products say grub killers, but they act differently. So you got your BioAdvance, just like it says on the bag here, BioAdvance 24-hour grub killer plus. Now, yes, the plus is, yes, it does handle some other insects. And that's because the formula in here, which is made specifically for grubs, but when it comes in contact with the other insects, it will knock them off too. But it doesn't specialize in knocking those other insects off. It's just because, okay, you know, most times insects are kind of like I would say fragile, and you throw some kind of chemical on them, they will die off. But BioAdvance 24-hour grub killer plus is for grubs. So if you go out in your lawn and you realize, hey, I got grubs that are actively killing off the lawn, I need something to act fast, that's when you go to BioAdvance, the 24-hour grub killer plus. Now, also, when you have grubs, you can go on your grass and you can pull those grass roots up very easily, or you can kind of roll off, like if you have like a thick turf, you can kind of pull it back and it'll come up out the soil very easily, like a carpet, because the grubs are tearing them roots up. It's not even rooted. Your grass is no longer rooted down, it's dying off. So that's how you know if you have grubs. You can pull your grass right out the ground very easily. So if you have actively, you know, grubs feeding on your lawn, that's when you want to go to this BioAdvance 24-hour grub killer plus. So hope you guys are staying with me right now. Now for this third one, the Scots Grubex. This is going to be your preventative. So if you've been here with me, you know I always like to stay into the preventative stage. I like to always be ahead. When you're always prepared, when things happen, you don't have to get prepared. You already been ready. You say, hey, I've been waiting for this moment. I'm already prepared for any situation. That's when this Scots Grubex season-long grub killer comes into play. Now, if you want to use this one, when I said earlier on about timing, you're going to put this down, apply in spring to early summer. This is mainly to be used before grubs wake up in June, July. If you put this down in spring, early summer, this is going to last in the soil about 4 months, like it says here. So if you put this down April, when those grubs start to wake up and try to feed there, as soon as they start eating on them grass roots, because the chemical is already in the soil, boom, they're going to die off. So you don't even have to worry about it. So that's why I always say be preventative. Even like with your fungus control, be in the preventative stage, because now when the fungus tries to brew up, the grass is already protected. When grubs already wake up, they already, boom, you don't have to worry about anything. Hey, I done put down my grub killer April, I done put down my fungus control, I done put my fertilizer down. All I got to do is mow and water. I don't have to do anything. Write down when you applied all your products. So now you know, okay, around the 3 to 4 month mark, I might have to do a second treatment. So that's why I always say it's all about timing, it's all about scheduling. Don't never try to battle from behind. Because when you battle from behind, you're going to waste more money, you're going to waste more product, because now you got to go into the curative mode. So you got to keep applying these products to get everything under control, because now you didn't let a small problem become a big problem. That's like with our bodies. You going for regular checkups, they're able to find something early on. They can be, all right, you need to take this, you need to start doing this. If you ain't going for regular checkups and they find something later on and they say, oh, this thing went from bad to worse, it already progressed, you're battling from behind. So that's why I always say, be in the preventative stage. Just like these 3 products, these 2 products right here specialize in grub killer. This one may give you a little grub killing, like I said, if it comes into contact, but this one is mainly for a wide variety of insects. Another analogy, it's like going for a chicken sandwich. You can go to McDonald's or Burger King and get a chicken sandwich, and that might do the trick for you. But if you really want a real chicken sandwich, something that specializes in chicken, you'll go to somewhere like Chick-fil-A, because they specialize in chicken. They don't even do nothing else. So that's another analogy for you. This Spectracide is good, but it's good for a variety of things. I wouldn't use this for grub killers. These 2 are your best option. This one, if you have grubs actively, like right now, start killing off those grubs in 24 hours. This one will kill grubs that's actively, but that's not his main job. His main job is to prevent. And also, now this one kills on contact, kills grubs on contact also, just like it would say here on this bag, but it doesn't. But why this one will kill grubs in the soil? Because take a look at that active ingredient. Now this one is trichlorophon. Hope I said that one right. But look at the percentage. Hopefully you can see that. It's 9.3%. So this one right here is a lot stronger than this Spectracide. It's actually the strongest on the table. Why? Because its main job is to kill off active, grubs or any of these little other insects that it does come in contact with. It will kill off because it's stronger. This Scots is I don't really know how to pronounce this one, but it's Trampro, whatever. You get what I'm saying. But this one is also 0.8%. So it is weaker than this one, a lot weaker, but it is a little bit stronger than this Spectracide. But why it works? Because its main job is to fight grubs. It don't even specify anything else. It might kill some other things on the back. It might say that, but yeah, a few other things. But this Scots main job is for grub control. So I hope I didn't make this video that long for you guys, but I wanted to explain to you why using certain products and certain applications are best. Please stay away from the Spectracide for grub control. I mean, if you need grub control, go with these 2 right away. If you don't really need grub control and you just need to put something down to stop insects in general, yes, Spectracide is your best fit. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope it helped you out and gave you some valuable information. If it did, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'm only trying to help and break down these 3 products because a lot of people get confused, and I'm trying to save you some money while getting you the results that you're looking for. So I don't want you to waste that money and be like, oh man, I'm not happy with my results. I done spent a lot of money, and you start feeling defeated. Don't give up. These applications are all different. They all help in different circumstances and situations. So I'm just letting you know and showing you the difference. So hope you guys enjoy. Take care, and I'll be back very soon.